Inshallah, in this class, we are going to do few questions on 2 marks questions on trigonometry, basic trigonometries. Before going to this, you must be thorough through the formulas. You must be perfect through the formulas. You see the part 1, part 2, part 3 of the trigonometry from my playlist inter first year. You will have the detailed formulas there, okay? So I request before starting the questions, you must be perfect through the formulas. Now let me start this question. There is a question written here. What we have to show this value as 1. Now I am starting. First you see what is the value of pi by 20. Pi is 180 by 20. 2 ones are 2 nines. So pi by 20 is nothing but 9 degrees. Now cot, watch carefully. Pi by 20 is 9. 9 threes are 27. Cot. Pi by 20 is 9. 9 fives are 45. Cot. Pi by 20 is 9. 9 sevens are 63. Cot. 29 nines are 81. Cot 81 degrees. See here, I am writing this as it is cot 9 degrees. Cot 27 degrees. Cot 45, we know the value of cot 45 is 1. Now you change this to cot theta can be written as tan 90 minus theta. Cot theta, this can be written as tan 90 minus theta. So this will become tan 90 minus, what is theta here? 63. Cot theta can be written as tan 90 minus theta. Cot theta can be written as tan 90 minus theta. So what will be here? Cot 9 degrees, cot 27 degrees. Into 1 you leave this. Now this will be tan 90 minus 63 will be 27. Tan 90 minus 81 will be 9. I'm writing this 2 together. Cot 9 into tan 9 into cot 27 into tan 27. Why we wrote like this? Because we know that tan theta into cot theta. These are the reciprocal equation values. Therefore, tan into cot is 1. So cot 9 into tan 9 will be 1. Cot 27 into tan 27 will be 1. So 1 into 1 will be 1. Now you see the next question on the board. If tan 20 equals to lambda, then show that tan 160 minus tan 110 by 1 plus tan 160 tan 110 equals to 1 minus lambda square by 2 lambda. Now watch carefully. See here how to start. What is given? Tan 20 equals to lambda. So what can you say about cot 20 degrees? It's reciprocal, therefore 1 by lambda. So in place of tan 20 we can keep lambda. In place of tan 20 we can keep 1 by lambda. Now let me change these values. Tan. Now 160 can be written as 180 minus 20. 180 minus 20 minus tan 110 can be written as tan 90 plus 20. In the same way you change in the denominator, tan 180 minus 20 into tan 90 plus 20. Now see here we are having two formulas. Tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. Tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. And tan 90 plus theta is minus cot theta. So let me substitute here. Tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta minus tan 90 plus theta is minus cot theta. Again minus of minus is plus cot theta divided by 1. Tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta minus tan 20. Again cot 90 plus theta is minus of minus, so tan cot theta cot 20. Now let me substitute this value. Cot 20 is 1 by lambda. Since it is positive, I am writing this first. Minus tan 20 is lambda divided by 1 plus tan 20 is lambda into cot 20 is 1 by lambda. So this lambda will get cancelled. Take LCM. Lambda into lambda square. 1 minus lambda square by lambda. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is 2 by 1. If you bring this here, 2 will come here. So we can write 1 minus lambda square by 2 lambda. 1 minus lambda square by 2 lambda. Now you see the next question. Given sine theta equals to minus 1 by 3 and theta does not lie in third quadrant, We know sine theta is plus in first and second quadrant, minus in third and fourth quadrant, but it is given that theta not lie in the third quadrant. If theta is not in the third quadrant and it is negative, sine is negative, sine is negative, therefore we can say theta lie in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. Theta lie in fourth quadrant. Now let me see the sides. Okay, so we can do it by any method, identical ratios also. What is sine? Opposite by hypotenuse. Let me find the adjacent. So what is the formula? Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square equals to, opposite is we are having 1, hypotenuse square equals to opposite square plus we don't know adjacent, adjacent square, bring this one here, 3 square is 9, minus 1 equals to adjacent square, 9 minus 1 is 8, so adjacent square equals to 8, so adjacent will be root of 8. So root of 8 can be written as 4 into 2. Root 4 is 2. So this will be 2 root 2. So what is the question? We have to find cos theta. Cos theta in the fourth quadrant is positive. So we must take plus. Fourth quadrant is cos theta is plus. Now what is the formula of cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So this will be 2 root 2 by 3. 2 root 2 by 3. See the next question. If before going to the question, let me take a formula. If secant theta plus tan theta equals to k, then we can take secant theta minus tan theta equals to 1 by k. Similarly, if cosec theta plus cot theta equals to k, we can take cosec theta minus cot theta equals to 1 by k. We have derived this from the identical ratios. Let's use directly. Okay. Given, what is given here? Secant theta minus tan theta equals to 2 by 3. Find the value of sine theta and the quadrant in which theta lies. So let me write what is secant theta plus tan theta. Secant theta plus tan theta will be, just I told you, this will be the reciprocal between 3 by 2. Secant theta minus tan theta is 2 by 3. Then secant theta plus tan theta will be its reciprocal. K reciprocal is 1 by k. 2 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 2. Let me do one thing. Suppose this is 1, suppose this is 2. Add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. If we add plus tan theta minus tan theta will get cancelled. Secant plus secant, 2 secant theta. 2 secant theta equals to, we add this one, 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2. So 2 secant theta equals to, if you take LCM it will be 6, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. Bring this 2 here. So secant theta equals to 13 by 12, or you can write as cos theta equals to 12 by 13. Cos theta equals to 12 by 13. Now let me subtract 1 and 2. If you subtract, this sign will change, this will become minus, this will become minus, and this will become minus. So plus secant theta minus secant theta will get cancelled. Minus tan theta minus tan theta is minus 2 tan theta. Here will be 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2. 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2. Okay, so let me take LCM here. Minus 2 tan theta equals to, if you take LCM, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, minus 3 3s are 9. That is minus, bring this minus here, tan theta equals to minus 5 by, minus 5 by minus 12, minus minus will get cancelled. So tan theta equals to 5 by 12. You see here, cos theta is also positive, tan theta is also positive. Which quadrant can be both is positive? The first quadrant. First quadrant. So we can write that the theta lie in first quadrant. Therefore, theta lie in first quadrant. Theta lie in first quadrant. This is the first thing. Theta lie in first quadrant. Now let me find the value of sine theta. By why we are have find both? Because to see the quadrant. Suppose this is positive, this is negative, then we can say fourth quadrant. Suppose this is negative, this is positive, we can say this is third quadrant, because in third cos is minus, tan is positive. If both minus, we can say second quadrant. If both plus, we have to say it is first quadrant. So what will be the values you see here? So suppose this is theta. Now tan is opposite by adjacent, so opposite by adjacent. So what is opposite here? 5. By adjacent is 12. This is adjacent by hypotenuse. This is 13. So we have to find the value of sine theta. Therefore, sine theta equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Also, this is first quadrant. Therefore, first quadrant sine is positive. The next question. See here, it is given a cos theta minus b sine theta equals to c. We have to prove a sine theta plus b cos theta equals to plus or minus under root of a square plus b square minus c square. What is given? A cos theta minus b sine theta equals to c. We have to find a sine theta plus b cos theta. Whenever we get such question in terms of sine and cos, we have to like start like this. Let me take this a sine theta plus b cos theta equals to k. So we have to prove the k value, this one. We have to find k and show that this is the value of this. So what is the procedure? Always remember, whenever we get such question in terms of sine and cos, we have to square and add this. We have to square and add this. So what is the first term? A cos theta minus b sine theta. We have to square, plus what is the second term? A sine theta plus b cos theta square equals to, here also you square and add c square plus k square. Now let me expand this using a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab sine theta cos theta. First you write 2ab, then sine theta cos theta, plus b square means b square sine square theta. Here also expand this one, a plus b whole square is a square means a square sine square theta plus 2ab sine theta cos theta plus b square means b square cos square theta equals to c square plus k square. Now let me cancel this one, plus 2ab sine theta cos theta minus 2ab sine theta cos theta will get cancelled. Now see here, let me take common here. So what will be the common here? A square here, a square here. So if we take a square in both these two, what is left here? If you take a square common here, you left with cos square theta plus here a square means sine square theta. Now in the same way, let me take b square here common. If you take b square common, what is left here? Sine square theta plus here is left cos square theta. Now let you do one thing. Bring the c square here, minus c square. C square here minus c square equals to k square. Now this is 1, a square into 1 will be 1, b square into 1 will be 1. Therefore I am writing like this. Therefore k square equals to, I am writing k square equals to, a square into 1 is a square, sine square plus cos square is 1, 1 into b square is b square minus c square. So if we take out square from here, it will be plus or minus under root. Therefore k equals to plus or minus under root of a square plus b square minus c square. What we supposed k, this one? Therefore let me write this one. Therefore a sine theta plus b cos theta equals to k. So we got the value of k as plus or minus under root of a square plus b square minus c square. Minus c square. Now let me practice same one more question here. Given 3 sine theta minus 4 cos theta equals to 5. We have to find the value of 4 sine theta minus 3 cos theta. So let me take 4 sine theta minus 3 cos theta equals to k. Now the first step is squaring and adding. So let me square this, a plus b whole square is a square, 3 square is 9. Again sine square theta plus 2ab. First we multiply the numbers, 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24 sine theta cos theta. This is 2ab plus b square, 4 square will be 16, again cos square theta. Now a minus b whole square is a square, 4 square is 16 sine square theta minus 2ab, 2 4 is 8, 3 is 24 sine theta cos theta plus b square. B square is 3 square is 9 cos square theta equals to 25 5 square plus k square. You have to find k square. Plus 24 sine theta cos theta minus 24 sine theta cos theta cancel. Now you take 9 common, here it will be sine square theta. One more 9 is here. We have taken 9 common from this too. So sine square theta plus here will be cos square theta. Plus let me take 16 common here. So it will be cos square theta plus sine square theta. Bring this 25 here, minus 25 equals to k square. So 9 into 1, k square equals to sin square theta plus cos square theta is 9. 9 into 1 is 9. Plus 16 into 1 is 16 minus 25. So 9 plus 16 is 25 minus 25, that is 0. Therefore, k square equals to 0 plus k equals to 0. So what we suppose this one? 4 sine theta minus 3 cos theta. So its value is k, that is its value is 0. Now see your next question. What is given? Cos theta plus sine theta equals to root 2 cos theta. Now there are many methods. I'm doing with the same method. Let what we have to find, cos theta minus sine theta. Let we take this as k. Now what we are doing, squaring and adding. We also have other method, generate the textbook written. It is written one more method, but I'm doing the same method, squaring and adding. So this will become cos theta plus sine theta whole square plus cos theta minus sine theta whole square equals to root 2 cos theta whole square plus k square. Now we have to find the value of k. Now a plus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab 2 sine theta cos theta. A minus b whole, sorry, plus 2ab, a plus b whole square, a square, this is a minus b whole square plus b square minus 2ab 2 sine theta cos theta. Root square will get cancelled, 2 then cos square theta plus k square. Now this sine square theta plus cos theta is 1, cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1, plus 2 sine theta minus 2 sine theta cancel. Bring this 2 here, this will be minus 2 cos square theta equals to k square, equals to k square. Don't see the next one, 1 plus 1 will be 2. So we can write like this, k square equals to 2 minus 2 cos square theta, 2 minus 2 cos square theta. So take 2 common here, k square equals to, if you take 2 common, it will be 1 minus cos square theta. I'm writing here k square equals to 2 into 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sine square theta. Bring this 2 here, apply root here, k equals to under root of 2 sine square theta. So k equals to, you write root 2 as it is, root 2 as it is. Now this root square will get cancelled. What is left here? Sine theta. So we got the value same. No, we have to show this one. Therefore cos theta minus sine theta. Therefore cos theta minus sine theta equals to k. So the value of k is root 2 sine theta. Root 2 sine theta. If sine alpha plus cosec alpha equals to 2, then find the value of sine power n alpha plus cosec power alpha. Let it start like this, sine alpha plus, what is the value of cosec theta? Cosec theta is 1 by sine theta. So cosec can be written as 1 by sine alpha equals to 2. So let it take LCM, sine to sine, sine square. Sine square alpha plus 1 by sine alpha equals to 2. Bringing this sine alpha here, sine square alpha plus 1 equals to 2 sine alpha. Bring this here, it will be a quadratic equation in terms of sine. Sine square alpha minus 2 sine alpha plus 1 equals to 0. Suppose this has 1 square. So it is of the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. Sine square alpha minus 2 into, you suppose this has 2 into 1, 2ab plus b square. So we can write this as a minus b whole square equals to 0. Sine square alpha minus 2 sine alpha plus 1 is 1 square. So it is of the form a square minus 2a plus b square is a minus b whole square equals to 0. If you take here, root 0 will be 0 next to sine alpha minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore sine alpha equals to 1. What will be cosec alpha? Cosec alpha is the reciprocal of sine alpha. So sine alpha equals to 1 means cosec will also be 1. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Suppose sine is 3 by 4, then what is cosec? 4 by 3. But once reciprocal is 1 only, so sine alpha equals to 1 means cos alpha will also be 1. Therefore, what is the questions? We have to find sine power alpha plus cosec power n alpha. Sine is 1, 1 power n plus cosec is 1, 1 power n. 1 power n will be 1 only, 1 plus 1. This is equals to 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Now see the next question, evaluate. So how we can see, watch here, cos of, let me write this 225 as 180 plus, let me find separately, then we substitute all. Okay, cos 225 equals to cos of, we can write 180 plus 45. So cos 180 plus theta is minus cos theta. This will be minus cos 45 degrees. Minus cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. In the same way, let me find this sine 225 degrees. Same we can write sine of 180 plus 45 degrees. Sine 180 plus theta is minus sine theta. Minus sine 45. Minus sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Now next one. Next one is tan of 495. Let me change this into 360. Tan 360 plus 460, 70, 80, 90. 135 degrees. Now tan 360 plus theta, tan 135. Now this can be written as tan 90 plus 45. This is in the second quadrant. So tan 90 plus theta is minus cot theta, cot 45 minus cot 45 is 1. Now last one is cot 495 degrees. Same cot 360 plus 135 degrees. Cot 360 plus theta, cot 135. Cot 135 is 90 plus 45. Cot 90 plus theta is minus tan theta 45 minus 1. So let me substitute the question equals to cos 225 is minus 1 by root 2 minus sine 225 is minus, again minus means this will be 1 by root 2 plus tan 495 is minus 1 minus cot 495 is minus 1 minus 1 is plus 1. So this will get cancelled, no, minus plus minus plus, this is 0. Now see the next question. You see a cot pi by 16, 2 pi by 16, 3 pi by 16, so on, up to cot 7 pi by 16 equals to 1. We have to prove this one. Now watch here. Pi, 2 pi, 3 pi by 16, 4. This 4 ones are 4 fours are. This is cot 45. This cot 45 is 1. Now you keep this 3 as it is. You must change the 3 angles. What are the angles? 5 pi by 16, then 6 pi by 16, then 7 pi by 16. We have to change these 3 in terms of pi by 2. I'll explain how to change. Suppose we can write this pi by 2 minus pi by 16. Watch carefully. If you take LCM, what will be the LCM here? 16. So 16 means 2 8s are here. It will be 8 pi. So what should be here? We must have 7 pi, no? So 8 pi minus pi will be 7 pi. So here should be pi by 16. If you take LCM, watch carefully. 16 is the LCM. So this will become 8 pi. So we are having 7 pi, no? So 8 pi means 8 pi minus, this should be 1 pi. 8 pi minus pi is 7 pi. Or else you watch here. Pi by 2 minus. You just write first pi by 16. Now let me try this one. What is the LCM here? 16. So if you take, this will be 8 pi. So what should be here to get 6 pi? 8 pi. What should be here to get 6 pi? 8 pi minus 2 pi should be. So you should have 2 here. You have 2 here. So if you take LCM, it will be 16. 8 pi minus 2 pi is 6 pi. So what's here? Should be the same way. You see here, pi by 2 minus, it's just write first pi by 16. Now if you take LCM, it will be 8 pi. So what should be here to get 5 pi? Here we are having 5 pi. If you take this LCM, this will be 8 pi. So what should be here to get 5 pi? 3 pi. So you should have 3 here. So let me change this one. Now you write the first 3 terms as it is. Cot pi by 16, cot 2 pi by 16 cot 3 pi by 16 as it is. Now this is cot 45. Cot 45 is 1. Now we have changed this one. Cot of 5 pi by 16 can be written as pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 16. In the same way, this can be written as cot pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 16 minus 2 pi by 16. And the last one is cot pi by 2 minus pi by 16. Now this is cot 90 minus theta is sine theta, sorry, tan theta. Cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. Cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. So let me write this one. Cot pi by 16, cot 2 pi by 16, cot 3 pi by 16, cot 90 minus theta, sine theta, sorry, tan theta. Tan 3 pi by 16. This will be tan 2 pi by 16, tan pi by 16. Now see, cot theta into tan theta is 1. Cot theta to tan theta is 1. So these 2 degrees angles are same. Now let me write this. Cot pi by 16 into tan pi by 16. In the same way, cot 2 pi by 16 into tan 2 pi by 16 into cot 3 pi by 16 into tan 3 pi by 16. Now we know cot theta into tan theta is 1. So this will be 1 into 1 into 1. So this will be 1. So we have done few questions, 2 marks questions of the trigonometry. Inshallah, we are going to continue in the next one, next chapter.